Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see the solution for this kind of pattern. So let us analyze this pattern. We can see that there are 5 rows and also there are 5 columns. But in the first row, we have 4 spaces and then a star. In the second row, we have 3 spaces and 2 stars and so on. So the number of space keeps on decreasing, something like this. And the total number of row is 5 and column is also 5. Okay. So as we know that the outer loop takes care of the rows and inner loop takes care of the column. Okay. So since the value is 5, so the n can be 5 here. So before we see the solution for this kind of pattern, let us first try to print the opposite of this pattern. Opposite of this pattern will be something like this, right? The first one will be, in the first row there will be 1 star, 2 star, and then it will increase as the number of row increases. And then we can just make some changes in that code so that it appears like this. Okay. So let's see the solution for this one first. We have already solved this kind of question earlier. So I'll recommend you to watch the previous videos to understand it. So the outer loop will start from I and it will go till 5. Inside of this, we'll keep a variable, maybe row, and an empty string. And we will just create one inner loop. Let's say k equals to 1, k less than equals to, here is the catch, it will run till I times, right? The inner loop will be dependent on this case, on the outer loop. So k is less than equals to I, k plus plus, and we are going to add a star in the row each time. Once the inner loop is completed, we just console the row and then the outer loop will increment, right? Let's see the solution. So yes, we get this structure, right? Now we have to handle the space part. For that, as we already know that this is the changes in the column, right? The value of the column is getting changed. And we also know that it is taken care by the inner loop. So we have to make some changes in the inner loop only. So what if we create one more inner loop that will take care of only the space part? Currently, this inner loop is taking care of the star part. We will just create one another inner loop that will take care of this space part also. And since the space is coming first, so this inner loop will be above this second existing inner loop, right? What we can do here is let j is equals to 1 and j will run till where? For that, if you see this, j is every time running till I minus 1 time. Or we can also say that n minus 1 time, right? Every time, n minus I time. N minus I, meaning here the I is 1. So it becomes 5 minus 1, that is 4. Again, here 5 minus 2, that is 3. So we can say that j is going to run till n minus I times. And it will increment as usual. Now, inside of this, we have to add just a space in the row. So it will be row plus equals to just one empty space. Also, when we are using n here, let's use this n here also. Let's remove this space, as space is taken care by the first inner loop, and the second inner loop is taking care of the stars. Let's print it. So we can see that we have got this kind of pattern where the first 4 places are space and then a star. In the second row, the 3 places are space and then the star, and so on. So yes, this was the solution of this question. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.